Students, I'll teach you how to factorize cubic polynomials by using factor theorem. In a previous class we had learned what is a factor theorem. We will see the application of the theorem today. Now see, this is a question from your NCERT only, and I've shown you how to factorize it by using factor theorem. First of all, you find out all the factors of the constant term 20. So you can see all the factors I have written. They are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, up to plus minus 20. Now what we do is that by heat and trial method, you try to find out the value of the polynomial at all these factors. First of all, I tried with P1. We put x equal to 1, and you see the value. If you put x equal to 1, the value is not equal to 0. The first one, you can see the first one, it's not equal to 0 if you put x equal to 1. Similarly, again I tried with x equal to plus 2. Again I saw that it is not equal to 0. Then I tried with a negative value, minus 1. I put the value x equal to minus 1 in the polynomial, and I found that yes, the value is equal to 0. So you remember what factor theorem says? Factor theorem says that if PA is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial. So now as I can conclude that x minus this minus 1, x minus minus 1 will be a factor of px by factor theorem. So thus we can write x plus 1 is a factor of px. So now we can write px is equal to, since x plus 1 is a factor of px, you can write x cube, px is equal to x plus 1 into qx. You can write x plus 1 into qx. Now, to find qx, what do you have to do? You have to divide px by x plus 1. To find out qx, you have to divide px by x plus 1. Now I have already taught you in the first class how to divide a polynomial by another linear polynomial. So for that I have done, you can see here, I have done the division. I have divided x plus 1, I have divided x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. That is the given polynomial. Okay, I have divided it by x plus 1. You see the division. This kind of division you are quite familiar with, you have done. So now with this, I have divided and I saw that it is exactly divisible. We already knew that it is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor of px, and hence whatever you get in the right hand side, this is the quotient, that is qx. So qx is x square plus 12x plus 20. So thus what can we write? Px is equal to this, which is equal to x plus 1. Initially what we had written, I had written x plus 1 into qx in equation 1, you can see. Now I have written px is equal to x plus 1 into, instead of qx I have put the value x square plus 12x plus 20. Now to factorize again, we can again further factorize x square plus 12x plus 20 by using middle term split. That you had done in the previous sum of question number 3. Now here again, you factorize x square plus 12x plus 20 by using middle term split. And I have used the middle term split, 12x I have split up into 10x and 2x. And then finally I get the two factors. One is x plus 10, the other one is x plus 2. So that's what do we get? This is, I marked it equation 3, and that previous equation I marked it equation 2. So now putting equation 3 in equation 2, we finally get this, see px, which was equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. That was equal to x plus 1 into this part. This is qx. So now qx, I further factorized it. So now I have put this is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 10 into x plus 2. This x square plus 12x plus 20 is x plus 10 into x plus 2. That I have replaced here. Instead of this, I have put x plus 1 into x plus 10 into x plus 2. So this is the complete factorization of this cubic polynomial.